So here we go. Indy and I, where's Indy? Indy are hiking beyond there. So we're going up there. About 2.5 hour hike today. Here's Indy. All right. So let's get to it. Here's where we're starting. That's where we live. And look who's coming. Indy. So we're going to hike all the way up to there and beyond to the top of Double Peak. I'm going to give you some panoramic views that will blow you away. Here we go again. All right, so just so you can get your bearings, this is the Pacific Ocean right there. That's the majestic Pacific. You can see the 101 and the La Costa Lagoon. And here behind me is our little village, San Elijo Hills. I'm going to give you another view here. You can see what I mean. So you and I are going to take a little hike together. Oh yeah, and Indy, wherever she is. Here she is. Watch this. You see her? Indy! Indy! Watch her come. Come on! Come on! Come on! That beautiful? Come on! Woof! Come on, girl! Come on! Come on! Good girl! Good girl! That's an amazing dog. Run! Run! Okay, I didn't know this was here. Look at, we got a dam in our backyard. That's cool. Did not know it was here. So look, looks like we've got some weather coming in back here. So we're gonna huff it to the top, make a turn around and come back, same way. Okay, this is breaking a sweat. So as you can see behind me, it's quite a climb. And for the most part, Indy has been exceptionally good. So she'll sleep well this afternoon. That's what she does. She runs crazy out here. She'll go way ahead of me, find some shade, and rest until I catch up with her. And she'll run ahead, find some shade, and rest. Here we go. Take a look here. Take a look here. Oh yeah. Take a look at this. What is that? Whoa. Yep. That's it. We did it. 1,400 feet. Oh, the sun's coming up. Check that view out. Woo. Nice, huh? And look who's here. It's Indy. Oh, I bet she lays down. Let's get some water, Indy. Let's walk around this way. That was a nice little hike. Wide open though. The trails are well groomed. And that's not over yet. Here is Double Peak. So we got some more work to do. Let's catch up with Indy. Indy! She won't come in now. She waits till I catch up with her. So let's catch up with her. There you go, Indy. Oh yeah, huh? Road. Okay. You know, we have a dog walker that comes twice a week because I can't get out all the time with Indy. Comes twice a week and she walks Indy. Here's the trail. Pretty wide open up here, but there's the shower. You'll be amazed. You can see that from the 101. And, ooh, over on this side is San Marcos and Escondido. So all that in there. And down here, going south, San Marcos, Rancho Santa Fe, Encinitas, and Cardiff. We've lived everywhere along that, the 101 or El Camino Real for 23 years. So here's another view of it. So this is a lot clearer. So here's the tower, and then here, up here, you see those two little trees up there? That's where we're going. So we'll get up there in about 90 minutes and then back. This is what I mean. A little tired, right? It's gonna wait for me. Let's see what happens. So, nice and quiet. Wow. We've passed 3 people on mountain bikes. No snakes. Although with all the rain we've had, I'm surprised. Made it back to the house. Oh my God, Andy. How you feeling, girl? How you feeling? So, here, we're back home. Not a bad day, huh? So, there's our place. Oh yeah, 1177. Looky here. Pretty nice, huh? But, this is our backyard. My God. And no kidding. Guess what? I just hit my 10,000 steps, and I'm feeling rain coming down. So, what perfect timing. I got my buzz. Okay, so yeah, we made it back to the house. Whew. How you doing, Indy? How you doing, girl?